How's that?
I didn't feel anything.
All right, let me make a row and then tell me, okay?
Okay. Okay.
Doing okay?
Yep.
If you need a break, let me know.
Okay. Feels just like you described.
Not so bad, right?
Yeah, like a rubber band pop.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
It's spicy.
It's spicy. Okay. Woo! Okay. Okay.
All right, ready?
Yeah.
Ready? I'll do every 2 to 3 pulses, okay?
Yep, that works.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, okay. First of all, I'm sure I look crazy right now. But this is a maintenance photo, so that's okay. I'm supposed to look a little crazy because at the end, then I'm gonna be looking like that girl. So last time y'all saw me was yesterday when I was getting laser for the first time. Y'all, I'm gonna give it like y'all saw the footage, so y'all kind of saw what it was giving. Y'all saw when she was doing my underarms. So I will say underarms are like not that bad at all. Like underarms for pain, I would probably give it like a 3 out of 10. Like, I don't know if I recorded the part where she said that it was gonna feel like, you know, a rubber band was popping, but that's basically what it felt like. Like, it literally felt like maybe somebody popped me with a rubber band. I will say like the inner part of my underarm hurt like more than the outer part. Like the outer part, when she was doing it, like it literally felt like nothing. The Brazilian, on the other hand, I give like a 7 out of 10 for pain. I would say the top was pretty, it was painful, but it was like bearable pain. One side, like my right side, which she said is common, like for one side to be more painful than the other. So my right side was more painful than my left side. The inside was like a good 8.5, 9 out of 10. Like, she was painful, for real. But again, I would definitely get it again. It was only like maybe 5 or 10 minutes of me like actually being in the place for my appointment. And my person was super nice. She like broke everything down to me. She was super like patient. She was like, hey, if you need me to stop, just let me know. So I would definitely recommend going there. It's so clean. They just opened, like I said. I went in, the girl offered me water. I was like, okay, customer service. So it was real cute. But yeah, so today we are going to do our nails. So that's where I'm on the way to now. Y'all, my nails look so crazy. I've had these nails on for a month and I only do acrylic overlay. So it's not like, it looks crazy, but it's not like they're not popping off because they're my nails. You see how long they are? These are my natural nails, okay? So I'm gonna get a fill-in and then yeah, so that's what y'all should see me doing next. So I'm gonna see how I'm gonna get there. So come over you. Yeah, nobody's gonna do it. Woo! Silly on me, devoted so much time to find you unfaithful boy. I nearly lost my mind. Drive past your house every night in an unmarked car, wondering what she had on me to make you break my heart. Yeah, I'm so wrong, so you made me wanna love you, baby. Nights I couldn't sleep, and let the sun reach home. I asked myself over again, what am I doing wrong to make you stay all night? And I came to call.
do better. What she did to make it love disappear. Please.
So y'all, I decided to get boho braids for this vacation. I'm sure y'all have been seeing them all over TikTok like I have. Y'all, these braids were a little bit over $400. I have never in my life paid this much for braids, okay? But honestly, the look is so cute. Like, I love the human hair, the wavy human hair. I tried it last summer, but I used it with synthetic hair. And never again. I will never do that again. I literally took it out like as soon as I got because I was going to Ghana. I literally took it out like the next day. So I feel like this hair, like this look with human hair is so much better. I used 3 packs of human hair that was provided by my braiding shop that I went to. This braiding shop is Braids by MAMACITA in Jersey, and the stylist that did my hair is Amma. So make sure if y'all go, y'all book with her. I'm sure y'all know how crazy it is, like, the day before you leave a trip. But, baby, I am running around like a chicken with my head cut off. So, last time y'all saw me, I think I recorded, so I showed myself getting my hair done. And right now, I have it covered up because I'm trying to make sure, like, my edges don't split out. I didn't record myself getting my brows done just because I was trying to be in and out. I was rushing. But y'all, today is the day before my trip. The last thing I have to do is get my lashes done, which is amazing. And then I have to go home and pack. And, like, I feel like I'm forgetting something. Like, I have little things that I want to go get that I don't need, but, like, it would be nice to have. So I want to go get a spray bottle so I can, like, spray. Sorry, I keep looking down. I'm waiting for my lash to tell me to go inside. But I want to get a spray bottle so I can, like, spray the human hair, like, make sure it stays curly. I want to get, like, hair ties so I can, like, be styling my hair. I want to get lip gloss. So, it's 4 o'clock. The beauty supply store by me closes at, like, 6:30-ish. So, I'm hoping that I can make it, but I don't know. Like, y'all, I didn't get no sleep last night. And there's a lot going on right now, personally. So, I'm, like, in work-wise. Like, a lot of stuff has been happening. But people's flights getting canceled too, and I promise you I'm not playing that. Like, when I was to go check in, it said, oh, get a $450 voucher to catch another flight. Absolutely not. Get somebody else to do it. And your girl's turning 24 in less than 48 hours. I don't think it's hit me yet. I think it's going to hit me when I actually get to the airport that, oh my gosh, like, it's about to be my birthday. We're not flying out my birthday, thank goodness. I don't like flying on my birthday. Like, I like being somewhere on my birthday. So, tomorrow's the day before my birthday. My birthday's on Wednesday. So, and today is Monday. So, your girl's flying out. And she's going to bring in 24 on vacation, period. Y'all overpacked OD. Like, when y'all see my suitcase, I'm not even going to show y'all everything I'm packing because, like, it's just too much stuff. Like, it's just so much stuff. But anyway, y'all, I'm going to see y'all inside my lash appointment.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing twisty slides in both ears. Dice falling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fuck a night, I keep the guala in my shorty bag. Know she wanna mine when she tattoo that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a J and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep this shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. When I'm stunner, till I D.I.E. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna.
Leaving me, dripping out on me already. Got what you needed, I guess, quickly. Learned yourself through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess. Yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Get it over text and call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yeah. got something real life, baby. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You try and come back when you fake. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real life, baby. You wanna get with me, stop. Yeah.